Hello everyone, welcome to the Tarang live show. Today we are going to see budget friendly lehengas, and all the lehengas that we have today are below 10,000, and I am going to show you in size L, but we also have XL and 2XL in some of them. So to place the order, you can just send us a screenshot on our WhatsApp number and you can book your lehenga. So the first one, we have a very pretty pink. You can see it has a heavy work blouse, and the price range for this one is around 7,500 for large size. So this is the blouse, very sleeves, and this is the back. And this is the skirt. This is the whole combination. Yeah. So it comes with a nice floral dupatta, floral print dupatta. So it's a nice, very nice combination. You can see even the dupatta has scallop work here with pearls. Beautiful full length floral dupatta. And this is the full set. Price range is just around 7,500 for the whole set. And you can see the blouse once again. It has a heavy work blouse. Yeah, you can mix and match this with multiple other saris too, or even other half saris because of the pretty work. And even the neckline is very beautiful. It has a high neckline, it's not deep, and also these small scallop detailing here. So it's a very pretty blouse and a very beautiful color. So to order this, just send us a screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8639564913. 7,500 is the price range, and we also have video call option available. So if you want to see more collections in this range, then we do have that option. 7,500. So this is the whole set. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is the dupatta. So this is perfect for haldi, mehendi functions or even weddings. And because of the budget, it makes it the perfect pick. Next we have a pretty orange color. It's a nice vibrant orange and digital print skirt. See, very nice vibrant color combination, and rust orange is the trending color too. And you can see all over the border for the skirt. We have nice gold detailing going on. Yes, we do have XL size. Whatever I'm showing right now is large size. I'm just showing the starting size, but we do have all sizes available. We have XL and 2XL too. So this is the skirt of the lehenga. And this is the blouse. This one is around 8,500. So you can see it's a very pretty blouse, and all over the blouse we have this neat detailing, and it has come with soft pads and complete embroidery here. The best part are these tassels. So very nice color combination, and the blouse is sleeveless, but we do attach the sleeves if you don't like to wear it sleeveless. Price range is 8,500. Okay. So this is the blouse. And this is the dupatta. Yes, sleeves are available. This is the So this is the dupatta. Any appointment for visiting? No, for visiting you don't have to book any appointments, but for video call you have to message us prior so that we can schedule your appointment. And this is the full combination. Okay. Next one. So you can take a screenshot and we'll move on to the next one. Next we have something party wear. It's a very beautiful piece for Sangeet. So you can see, first of all, the blouse has complete intricate work, stone work, and it's a very nice, stunning piece and a beautiful peachy shade. So this is the gorgeous blouse, and this is the skirt. So it's a nice sequin skirt, complete gera. It's ombre shaded. Just look at the beautiful color combination, and it has a pretty can inside. Just look at the color combination, complete sequence work and complete shine. So you look very stunning in this. This is the blouse. Price range is 23,000 for this one. Comes with a nice choker style dupatta matching. Store address is in Hyderabad. We have two branches. One is in Ameerpet and one is in Park Lane, Secunderabad. You can visit either of the stores, or we can also help you by taking your order online. So this is the dupatta, matching dupatta for this one, choker style. So this is the nice lehenga. So as you can see, even this blouse is sleeveless, but we do have material for the sleeves if you don't like to wear it sleeveless. So this is the third one, and you can send us a screenshot if you want to place the order. Price range is 23,000. And once again, can you do a close up on the blouse? Okay. So this one, let's move on. International shipping, yes, we do provide international shipping. Within India, the shipping is free, but internationally, it's an additional charge, and the shipping cost depends completely on the size and weight of the parcel. So, for if it's like a lightweight lehenga, and if it's not occupying a lot of space, then the price will be less compared to otherwise. So, this is the fourth one. It's a nice haldi mehendi perfect lehenga. So first, it has a very nice print, vibrant print, and complete gotapatti border going on the bottom. And this is the blouse. It's a unique V-neck blouse. Price range is around 5,300. So this is the blouse. Has very nice detailing of V-neck. And even this one is sleeveless, but we do have material for the sleeves. Matching material for the sleeves. Okay. This is the blouse, and this is the dupatta. It's a nice full length soft net dupatta, pretty yellow. See, it's a full length dupatta, and you can drape it as you want. So the sizes, availability of the sizes totally depends on the availability. So even during the live, we might get sold out if someone wants this in XL. So it might be sold out in XL. So if you want to order anything, then just message us as soon as possible on the WhatsApp, and as per availability, we can take your orders. So this is the next one. 5,200 is the price range. 5,300, sorry. And as per the design, the availability depends as per the design. So let's move on to the next one. And we have other kinds of varieties in plus sizes that may not be available in smaller sizes, and vice versa. So it totally depends on the availability only. And next one, this one is 4,700. It's a very beautiful bottle green. Just look at the nice raw silk fabric. Comes with gold detailing. It's a very beautiful piece. And again, this has a heavy dupatta. Okay, so first I'll show you the blouse. This is the blouse. It's a nice bottle green color. Again, comes with V-neck, but it's not deep. It also has a patch, so it's very comfortable. And even this one has material for the sleeves. This is the back. Price is 4,495. Yeah, I'll show you the sleeve material. And this is the dupatta. It's a full embroidery work dupatta. So it's a heavy dupatta. And you can drape it either way. You can drape it like a half sari, something like this, or also just wear it on the side. Either way, it's going to look very pretty. Just look at the combination and also the intricate detailing of the embroidery, especially for the price. Okay, and I'll show you the sleeves too. Also has tassels on the inside. Mm, yeah, so this is the sleeve material. Each and every lehenga has come with matching sleeves. So as you can see, this one has material up to 3/4 elbow length. So you can get any length attached if you want cap sleeve, short sleeve, elbow length 3/4. Every lehenga has matching sleeves. So yeah, this was for this one, and you can take a screenshot to place the order, and we will move on to the next one. So yeah, you can take a screenshot. Yeah, yeah, you can take a screenshot. Price is 4495. So below 4500, we have this pretty lehenga. I think we also have colors available. So just send us a message on WhatsApp and we will let you know the availability. So let's move on to the next one. In this, yeah, we have blue too, blue color. I'll show it to you. So this is the blue color in the same. It's a nice navy blue. This is the skirt. Again, even this one has sleeve material. Same like the green one that I just showed you. Okay, this is another color option in the same. This is the dupatta. 4495 is the cost. You can take a screenshot to book this. And something like this is perfect for your friend's wedding or anything, any quick puja function, especially because of the budget and a very nice fabric quality and intricate finishing. It looks very rich and grand too. And if it's within India, then we also have free shipping available. Oh wow, something for wedding. We have this beautiful dual tone red and pink color combination. It's a Banarasi lehenga. It's a beautiful Banarasi lehenga. You can see it has very beautiful ghera. This is the blouse. It's a nice perfect fitting raw silk blouse. And again, this is the material for the sleeves. So matching sleeves are available. Okay. Yeah, and also there's work on the sleeves. This is the blouse. So you can also use this blouse in multiple ways for saris and other clothing too. Because it's a nice red color blouse, so it's very versatile. And this is the combination. Yeah, and this is the dupatta. It's a nice soft organza dupatta with booties. It has a very nice contrast color combination of red and pink. So it's a very beautiful classy piece. Price range is 14,450. So under 15,000, we have this pretty lehenga. And for the price, we get this heavy Banarasi lehenga. So it's a great steal deal, I would say. So just look at the dual tone. Each and every kali has a different color. So yeah, and just look at the long ghera. Looks so pretty and it has a very nice wide ghera to it. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Within India, shipping is free, and outside it is additional charge. Okay, next we have a pretty lilac color. Even this one is from our budget friendly segment. It has a nice tissue shine all over the skirt, and even the skirt has big huge Kera, like you can see. It has a lot of Gera and comes with very nice gold detailing border, and all over the skirt we have a nice tissue shine, and also comes with very pretty tassels. And this is the blouse. It's a nice V-neck blouse. Price range is 5660, so 5,500 for this beautiful piece. It has a nice V-neck again with neat patchwork here, gotapatti work, yes, and the silver embroidery, pita work, and this nice neat embroidery finishing here. And this is the back. This is the back. So it has very nice combination. And this is the dupatta. It's a full length dupatta, soft organza. And all over the dupatta we have these beautiful buttas. And just for 5,500, 5,600, yeah, 5,600 range, we have this beautiful three-piece lehenga. So you can take a screenshot, and we do alter the blouse exactly as per your given size and send it to you. The one that I'm showing in 40 size, but we might have it in 42 and 44 as well. We need to check. So based on the availability, we'll let you know. You can just send us a screenshot on the WhatsApp, and based on that, we'll let you know. If the same is not available, we'll send you similar options too. Or you can also book a video call. Okay. So this is the next one. Another pretty option in 6,000. Very nice, unique color. Wow, just look at the detailing on the blouse. It has very beautiful work for the sleeves. It looks stunning. And the price range, you wouldn't believe it, it's just around 6,000. Just look at the blouse. Yes, it's just 6,500. Just look how pretty the blouse is and the detailing. Even in this, we might have colors available. So you can just message us on WhatsApp and we can get back to you on that. But as of now, I'm showing you this onion pink color. This is the back. And also look at the tassels here on the blouse. These droplings. It will look very beautiful when worn. Okay, I'm obsessed with the blouse. And it has a full Gera skirt. And also look at the waistband. It looks really nice. Oh, look at these tassels. Looks so nice and heavy. Nobody would be guessing the price that it would be for so less, just 6,500. A very nice material. And a full length dupatta. No, dulta. This is the dupatta. Even the dupatta has buttas all over, so it's not plain. And these beautiful tassels on the bottom. So it has this nice golden embroidery. Yeah. Okay, so this is the full combination. So you can send us a screenshot to book this one. We can check the availability for you in the sizes, or we can also take the order. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's see this yellow. It's perfect for haldi mehendi functions. Below 10,000, this one too, it's around 8,000. It's a nice Georgette lehenga with complete thread embroidery. Just look at the beautiful color combination. The thread work looks so pretty. Wow. and it has full ghera for the skirt, so when you twirl it's going to look very, very beautiful. So it's a very pretty skirt, and we have a full length dupatta for this one. I'll show it to you. And this is the blouse. So the blouse has sleeves. So this is the blouse. It's a very pretty blouse, and once again it has this very nice embroidery, very neat. You can see closer look. 8560 is the cost. This is the full combination. You can see it comes with a full length dupatta, and even the dupatta has this nice small shiny sequin stars. Okay. Also these beautiful tassels on the bottom, and it's a full length dupatta, so you can drape it like a half sari too. 8500 is the cost. So very beautiful, and let's move on to the next one. Let's do that one. Okay, we can do this. So this is a very unique piece. It is a fish cut. Firstly, it's a very heavy blouse. You can see complete stonework and sequence work, and these gorgeous tassels too here for the blouse. So it's a very pretty blouse. And for the skirt, it's a nice mermaid cut. Yeah, you can see it's a bit, yeah, it's like this. I'll show it to you from the front. It's like this fish cut, if you see, and it has come with an attached dupatta that will go around your waist and comes like a pleated sari. Looks something like this. Yeah, so something like this. I hope it's easy to understand, and a nice full heavy work blouse. So the pallu comes over the blouse, but yeah, something like this, and also has a belt around the waist. And when you're shopping for such collections, we can also show it to you by putting it on a mannequin, but it's a bit complicated to explain the same on a video call, I mean on a live show. So yeah, so you can see the fabric. It's a nice Jimmy Choo shining fabric, so it has a very nice rich look, and price range is 11,000. Also has a nice belt around the waist with complete heavy work and a heavy work blouse. So let's move on to the next one. Here we have another pink with gold combination, and this has full sleeves. So it's full sleeves, complete heavy embroidery. 10K is the price range for this one, and for 10K it's like a bridal piece. Like this is the front. It's a very nice blouse, fitted blouse, and just look at the detailing on the back. So very pretty, and it has this scallop detailing too here, if you can see. Has the scallop detailing for the blouse. So this is the blouse. It's a nice full length Georgette dupatta. Even the dupatta has complete gold embroidery. Just look at this. It's a nice pure Georgette fabric for the dupatta, and this is the skirt. So just look at the lehenga. It's a full heavy work lehenga. Also comes with these pretty cute tassels. So it's a very beautiful piece, very nice, and has full ghera. So this is the lehenga, and price for this one is 9220. So for 9,200 we have this full set. So for more such collections, you can always book a video call, or you can also visit our stores. We keep getting new collections every single day. So yeah, thank you for joining today's live, and see you in the next one. Bye.